charged. What's up, guys? Welcome back. So for today's video, I thought it'd be really cool to do like an Ariana Grande inspired makeup look. I saw this look on Instagram right here, and I thought it looked so pretty, just very editorial, mod liner going on, and I was inspired. I really wanted to recreate it, so we did our best. What do you guys think? But yeah, so this is what we're gonna get into today. If you guys wanna see how to create this makeup look, and just keep watching. Too much sometimes, I swear. The Urban Decay Born to Run palette. I feel like it has like all the shades that I'm gonna need for this look up in here. So I'm gonna take this shade Riff, and I'm just gonna use it as like a transition shade. It doesn't look like she really has a transition shade going on up in there, but I feel like I want one, so we're just gonna make this work. I'm just gonna take it through lightly though. Like, I'm not gonna do too much with it. We're gonna keep it basic with this shade. Okay, so next I'm gonna go in with Good As Gone, and we're just gonna use that on the outer V, just so we get like a little bit of definition going on over there. Okay, so now I'm just gonna take Ignite on my finger, and I'm just gonna run that all over the lids. I feel like she's got some like bronzy action going on, so we're gonna roll with this shade. And then I'm just gonna take Stranded because I feel like the inner third of her eye is kind of like a goldeny kind of shade. It kind of ombres into like a golden shade, so I mean it could just be the lighting, but I'm gonna rock and roll with how I think it looks. I feel like it looks kind of like that. Yeah. And we're just gonna kind of put that over that shade there too. Blend it all together. Ooh, that's pretty. Okay, so I'm just gonna dip into Breakaway really quick. It's kind of like a shimmery bone shade. And I'm just gonna pop that on the brow bone. Okay, so now to get extra artsy, we're gonna do the mod liner that she's got going on. So we're just gonna line our eyes like normal, do like a normal wing. Okay, so next I'm just gonna go in with the Urban Decay Waterproof Fine Point Eye Pen. I think this is new, so we're gonna rock and roll with this. Okay, so now I'm just gonna take it up and over so it looks kind of like a mod cut crease. Okay, so I'm gonna try my best to do this in frame. We're just gonna follow the hollow of the eye. Okay, so this is how the eyeliner is looking so far. I had to perfect it a little bit off camera. Sharpen that edge. Sharpen up the cut a bitch. Okay, so we're gonna use the Urban Decay Perversion Mascara, which is my favorite mascara. I don't know about you, but I can't live without falsies, so. Okay, so next we're just gonna move on to the face. We're gonna try some new stuff from CoverGirl. They sent over this box right here. And we're gonna try out some of these products. Some of them I've already tried out, so I don't think everything in here is new, but the concealers are for sure new. I've tried this foundation before, it's freaking bomb. And there's just some of the stuff in here that I don't know if they're exactly new, like on the market new, but they're new to me because I haven't tried the majority of the things in here yet. So we're gonna roll with these things for the face. Okay, so the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna prime my skin really quick. I'm gonna use the CoverGirl True Blend Base Business Skin Primer, the mattifying one. Okay, so now for foundation, we're gonna use the CoverGirl True Blend Matte Made Foundation. I'm gonna use the shade M70. In the box, they sent me M80, which also kind of works for me too, especially now since I'm super tan. I've been hiking recently and I just got really dark, dude. Like you can tell like the difference between my face and my body. We're just like two different people right now. So yeah, I'm just gonna use M70 though, since I already have it opened. Just need to get our face the same color as our body, or at least close. There we go. Looking similar. Still feel like my body looks a little bit darker, but I feel like when we get the bronzer going, the contour going, we'll match a lot better. Seriously though, the transformation. Okay, so now we're just gonna add some concealer. We're gonna use the CoverGirl True Blend Undercover Concealer, and I'm gonna use the shade Classic Beige. They sent over 3 different shades, but this is the one that I feel like is gonna work the best for me since I like a really bright under eye area. Okay, this one has like kind of like a pinky undertone. I usually use like yellow undertones because I have yellow undertones, but the pink undertones will actually counteract the darkness and the hyperpigmentation I got going on, so. Next, I'm just gonna go in with the, ooh, I almost dropped it, girl. With the Rimmel Stay Matte Powder in the shade Creamy Natural. I'm just gonna set my entire face with this first before we shake and bake. And then we're gonna shake and bake with the CoverGirl. That was so ridiculous. I don't even know why I just did that. I'm just gonna go in with this CoverGirl True Blend Minerals powder. Looks like that. This one's the translucent one. There was a banana one, but I think I'm gonna go with translucent for me. Okay, so before we finish the rest of the face, I'm just gonna finish my eyes really quick. So I'm going to take the Urban Decay Glide On Eye Pencil in Perversion. This is super black, super pigmented. Woo, girl. Okay, so I'm just gonna line the waterline. Okay, so I'm also just gonna take it on the lower third of my lash line. The outer third of my lower lash line. Okay, so I'm just gonna take the black shade right here from this palette and I'm gonna run that along the lower lash line real quick, just on the outer third. And I'm just gonna set what we just put down. All right, so now we're just gonna throw on some mascara on that lower lash line. I'm going in with the Laura Geller Lash Boss Mascara. The only reason why I like this mascara a lot for my lower lash line is because of the way the brush is situated. It's like shorter on this side, longer on this side, and it just gets right up in there. So I'm just gonna pick up Breakaway on a pencil brush real quick and I'm gonna run that in my inner corners. Just to finish off the look a little bit more. So I feel like it doesn't look complete right now. I mean, we could stop, but it doesn't feel complete. There we go. Things are happening. Okay, so now to bronze, we're gonna use the new Rimmel Radiance Brick bronzer. This is in the shade Medium. Because you want a face to match your body. Oh, that was a cute little jingle, huh? Somebody send me a record deal. Okay, so now I'm just gonna contour my nose using the Charlotte Tilbury Bronze and Glow. Film Star Bronze and Glow. This some blush. So I'm going to use this one by Becca. It's their Mineral Blush in Flower Child. It's kind of like a peachy tone blush with some golden reflect going on in there. So it doesn't look like she has any highlighter on in the photo, but I really want to try one of these. They look so pretty. So this one right here is the Rose Quartz. This is Gilded Glory, and then this last one is Pearl Crush. But I think I want to go with the Gilded Glory because it looks bronze, glowy, goddessy, bombastic. So. Ooh. She said we're gonna glow today. Okay, so now for the lips. She's got like a super nude, like a nude lip going on. So I'm gonna go with MAC lip pencil and strip down, and then the Urban Decay Vice lipstick. Why can I think of that? Oh my gosh. Vice lipstick in Stark Naked. This one's a matte lipstick. And I think I'm gonna throw in some gloss too. We're gonna use the Urban Decay Midnight Cowgirl Ultra Cushion Lip Gloss. So these ones are. And last but not least, just to finish off our makeup and make sure it lasts all night long, or at least if he tries to take us swimming on the first date, the Urban Decay All Nighter Spray. Alright guys, that's going to be it for this look. Let me know what you guys think of it down below in the comment section. Is it something that you guys would wear, or is it just too out the box for you? Let me know. I know, I kind of like it. I feel like it looks cool. Very mod cut crease going on, so I like it. I think it looks cool. I would wear it out. But yeah, so that's going to be it for this video, you guys. Thumbs up the video if you liked it, and also subscribe if you're not already subscribed to our little fam we got going on here. I appreciate everyone that's subscribed already. You guys are the bomb. Thank you so much for wanting to watch my videos and be a part of my little YouTube family here. So yeah, thank you. But yeah, I gotta go pick me up from school. Gotta get my life together. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching. I love you, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye guys.